The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, often referred to as the Extreme, may be released sooner than anticipated, according to a new leak. Ice Universe said on WBO that the Samsung Galaxy Tabs 10 series and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim would be released in October. Furthermore, mentioned in the post is the Samsung W25, which is said to be the Chinese variant of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. More information about the device has been released by Ice Universe. Specifically, it has been revealed that the Fold 6 Slim will have an 8-inch internal screen and a 6.5-inch external screen, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This information was found in a web post that was removed but was still accessible at home. We've heard rumors regarding a potential release date for the Z Fold 6 Slim before. The phone, coupled with the Samsung Galaxy S25, is expected to launch in early 2025, according to display specialist Ross Young. He also mentioned that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim won't have a digitizer, so it won't support the S Pen, but this makes the phone far thinner than previous Samsung foldables. A major concern is the phone's price. There were speculations of a less-priced model, the Galaxy Z Fold Fan Edition, which would have been an option for those who couldn't afford the $1,899 Galaxy Z Fold 6. Nevertheless, there are reports that Samsung scrapped this concept. There are two schools of thought regarding the release date of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. However, since it was not mentioned during Galaxy Unpacked, it seems improbable that it will be released in 2024. For the time being, we'll have to wait for Samsung to provide more information regarding his release. The Slim version would probably be less expensive than the main model, but it might have to sacrifice more features. A number of fresh reports from around the globe claim that Samsung is still developing the Q6A, a more compact version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Despite recent rumors that the company had stopped working on this phone, the existence of test software suggests that they are still in the process, so this will be a difficult phone to make. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.